Hello guys, welcome to Learn Electronics. Today we will learn how to make a simple LED dice using Arduino. So let's get started. So this is the circuit diagram that we are going to use. We have used 6 LEDs in order to represent the dice, and these LEDs are connected to Arduino using digital pins. So here you can see the LED. The anode of the LED is connected to a digital pin in the Arduino, and the cathode is connected to the ground of the Arduino with the help of a 220 ohm resistor. The other LEDs are connected in a similar fashion. Here I have also included a push button so that when I press this push button each time, the LEDs will light up in a different manner, representing different dice value. So here, one end of the push button is connected to a digital pin of the Arduino 12. The other end is connected to the 5V pin of the Arduino. And on the opposite side, the left side pin is grounded with the help of a pull down resistor. It is a 220 ohm resistor. It is connected to the ground of the Arduino. So this is the circuit diagram. Now let's look into the coding. This is the Arduino coding. At the start, I have initialized all the digital pins of the Arduino to the LEDs in order to power the LEDs. Here I have initialized the push button to the pin number 12. I have declared the state of the push button to be 0 or low state. In the void setup, I am using a for loop in order to set all LED pins as output. And the pin number 12 is set as an input pin in order to receive signal from the push button. This is an interesting function. The build-up function is used to light up the LED one by one from left to right and right to left direction, so that it makes the game more interesting. You will see this in the output. This is the code that I have written for this. In the show number function, it displays the LED based on the number of values that we got from the dice. For example, if the number is 3, then first 3 LEDs will be lighted up. In the throw device, this is a function which is used to generate a random number between 1 to 6. This is the main function for the dice. In the void set all LEDs function, it controls all the LEDs to stay in on or off position. This is a void loop. When I press the push button, the digital read function reads the signal from pin 12 of Arduino, and the value will be stored in the pressed variable. And if the pressed value is equal high, then it will set all the LEDs to be in low state, and it will run the build up tension function, which will make the LED to move from left to right and right to left direction. Now the throw device function will generate a value between 1 to 6, and this value will be stored in the thrown number. The thrown number is fed into the show number function, which will show the number of LEDs that has lightened up. This is the Arduino coding. Now we will see the project in working. Here I have connected everything according to the circuit diagram. The 6 LEDs are connected to digital pins of the Arduino via these wires, and on the other end it is connected to the ground of the Arduino using resistors. Here I have made my own push button since I don't have a push button. Now let's see the working of this project. Now I am going to connect the USB to the laptop. Now the Arduino is powered up. Here you can see the function that I have shown you before. This is the build-up tension function. You can see the LEDs moving from left to right and right to left one by one. Now I am going to touch the push button. And now you have seen a number that comes up. Now I am going to repeat that again, and you can see number 2 has come up, and I am going to repeat that again, and again you can see number 2. Now you have seen number 4. Now I will repeat that, and you have seen number 6. This is how the dice works. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.